Hello, this is Nonna Maria, and I got it ready over here. Some scacciata. It's called scacciata di patate. This is flowers with some rosemary, dry rosemary. Over here I have fresh rosemary, oregano, some spices that I brought. You can find this in any supermarket from Sicily last year. Parmigiano Reggiano, pecorino romano at the end, and of course potatoes. And now I'll show you what I'm doing. And water for the flour. I'm making a small one, then I will give you the dosage to make a medium one. This is a very small one. First, you pour some water, and of course, you mix. Mix, 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 mix. Oh no. Still mixing, because this will go on top. Okay, I'm doing the old-fashioned way. My son goes crazy. See how thin? Oops. See how thin the potatoes? And I'm cutting them by hand. I know you can have the gadget that slice everything, but I've been doing by hand all my life. See? I make all the same thin. I put some more flowers. Okay? Not flowers, flour. Now, put a little salt, just the way you like it. And some